Unscrew the cap of the ink tank. Pour out white ink. Pour purified water to clean the white ink tank. Pull out the ink tube to drain the white ink. Continue to pour pure water into the white ink tank to drain the white ink completely. Prepare cleaning cloth and syringe. Place cleaning cloths on both sides of the ink station. Use the syringe, draw out the water from the dampers. Prepare Printhead moisturizing solution. Pour cleaning moisturizing solution into the white ink tank. Use the syringe, draw out the moisture from the dampers. Load ink on white ink printhead. Select manual pump. Select our head. After loading for 20 to 30 seconds, press menu to cancel loading. Clean the printhead. Printhead cleaning completed. Move the carriage away. Use a straw to pump in the cleaning moisturizing solution. Drop into cap top. Return the carriage to its original position. Close the valve to prevent ink leakage.